Hi, this is Jamie Hamilton. I'm chairman of the National Junior College Baseball World Series, sponsored by Alpine Bank. I wanted to take this opportunity to give a big thank you to all of our sponsors, volunteers, and teams for making this year's JUCO tournament a success. And to you, the fan, thanks. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to grow this tournament on a yearly basis and to make it an event the Western Slope can be proud of. Thank you. We'll see you next year for the 2020 Alpine Bank Junior College World Series.